I am Mr. Krishna Swami, currently 72 years old. 10 years back, I fell down in Delhi escalator, developed hip pain. I traveled with the pain. On reaching Chennai, I met the physician and he recommended Dr. Venkatachalam, and surgery was done, neck of femur joint, and for the past 10 years I am fairly comfortable and developed no pain. In between I had a checkup also, and the joint, there's been surgery was done with some screws, and I am very comfortable. And for the past 10 years, with the proper treatment, I am fine, and I fully recommend for any ortho surgery. Dr. Venkatachalam is a nice person, and follow-up actions are very good.